Hello guys, this is Hilda Vlog. Our lunch is barbecue chicken. See guys, okay. We like madam like that, the food. And this other one, this, charan! Yan. Ayan ang mga paboris nilang pagkain. Ito naman sa amin. Yan. Kukuha pa kami balanggay mamaya. Okay guys.
Kinakabahan ako.
Bakit ka kinakabahan? Tusok ka lang dyan.
This is the future business of Hilda, guys.
Yan.
One of the...
I go to Philippines, I'm
Business.
open business like this.
Tapos, punta kami doon, tagakain lang.
Mm.
Malulugi yung business niya kasi kami kainin namin. Walang bayad, free yun.
Thank you for watching guys. Bye-bye you.